state of the bathroom. Filthiness of it all. Door frames. That going down the stairs. All the structural damage there. The floor. Everything. Kitchen. All the units. Filthiness of everything. All the windows intact. That's the only thing we haven't touched. Obviously the state of everything here. All the door frames. As you can see, all damaged. All here. All done. Everything.